Hello again, boys and girls. Oh, I didn't put the mic. Let me just stick it in. There we go. That's better. And now we're gonna watch. Let me just open this bag. This is a bigger camera. It's not a point and shoot. It's actually a Russian camera. You guys, the Russians don't make the best cameras, but this is a Zenit ET. The lens is pretty nice actually. It's a 58 millimeters f2. The particular thing about this is a M42 lens. You just screw it in. The particular thing that this lens has, the Helios 58 f2, it's the rounded bokeh. That's why I said, but it's a new version of the lens, and looks more cheap than the others. And the diaphragm, what? How do I? Man, oh, there we go. So this is, oh right, it's pretty nice. Oh, you just leave it at 16. So the diaphragm has these markings. So stops, you have 16, 11, 8, 5.6, 4, 2, 8, and 2. You can see the lens closing, or you just keep it closed and use this ring here, focus, this ring here to slowly close the aperture. Look at that beauty. Nice. So this is, I guess, very nice for video, maybe? I don't know. So pretty cool. You got the maximum focus distance, 0.5 meters. That's a half a meter. Not that good, but that's all right. So let's see the camera. The camera has no batteries. All right. Now, okay. So the metering is done by this. Oh, damn! I forgot how it's called. These photosensitive cells, I guess. I don't know how they call it, but that's the metering system, and it doesn't do batteries. They're chemical, I think. So the Zenit, it's a big brick. You can fight with it if you want. Let's arm it and fire it. Whoa! Let's see the shutter. How do I open this? Mamma mia! How do I? Okay, I've got a slight bit of a problem opening it. I don't understand this side. Should I? Oh, I got it. You just pull this up. So you've got a curtain. It's not metal. Oops. Focus. No, it's, yep. Goes from this side to this side, the other way. It's a good sound. Nice. You feel like a man with this camera. It looks nice. So this is where you set your ISO from 1 to 5. No, where's the ISO? The ISO is actually the other. Oh, this is the ISO. Look, the button here. You boop, you move it. So you set the ISO, the film, and this is the exposure. And look at the meter here that moves as you lower or increase the exposure. So that's why that's how you know you have the good exposure. Right. No, that's not the. If that's the, no, this is the exposure. Oh, I'm a little confused. Okay, this is the ISO, I guess, because this is the exposure. It's obvious. This is the 500. This 30. This is the also the flash speed. You got a flash hot shoe here. And bulb. Let's hear the bulb. Great. It all works. Sounds nice. Actually, the bulb would have been nicer. Let's see it here. Opa. Groovy, man. Ugly little camera, I say. You have also a timer. Let's see the timer. Oh, sorry. Let's wait it again. Oh, you press the button here to activate the timer. And the buzzing starts. And there we go. We have liftoff. That's it. These are for this. And the viewfinder. Pretty dirty. Great. So this is the camera, guys. It's a Russian old camera. It's more plasticky than I remember it. I think these were made from metal, but now only the mount is metal. This is plastic. So this is a new version of the Zenit, I guess. I don't recommend this camera, but I sure recommend the lens. Okay. Opa. Why didn't I put a film in it? Right, so let's put a film in it. I forgot about this, sorry. This won't take long. So the film goes upside down. Be careful not to touch the curtain. When you got it in the place, press it in. And then all the way and put it between these holes. With a little force, I guess. Let's see if this works. No. Oh, if it doesn't want to, you just... Okay, that's it. So this is the way it goes. Yep, there we go. The film has to stay like this and always pressed against these walls with this pressure plate here. Great. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I have many more cameras I will review, so please stay tuned and have a good day.